A video went viral recently.
It showed a school teacher, young, healthy-looking, and in the middle of a lecture. He's teaching, speaking to his students. When suddenly, he stops.
He clutches his chest,
Bends over in pain. And then, without warning, he collapses to the floor.
No one saw it coming. No one knew what to do.
A young death hurts. But a sudden one, right in front of innocent students, hits differently. And as this clip spread online, a wave of questions began to grow. What exactly happened?
Could this happen to us too?
And if so, how would we even know? I'm dr.kade. And this video isn't just a reaction to a viral clip.
It's a breakdown of what went wrong, what you need to know,
and how to protect yourself and your loved ones from a silent killer that strikes without warning. Cardiac arrest can happen to anyone, at any age. But when it hits fast. One moment you're standing, speaking, teaching. The next, you're gone. And the triggers?
High blood pressure, blocked arteries, severe stress, chronic fatigue,
even undiagnosed heart conditions. The teacher may not have even known he was at risk.
And that is the most terrifying part.
Let's look closer at what happened. The teacher is mid-lecture, engaged, present, alive. But then, he reacts to a pain. Mild at first. Maybe a pressure in the chest.
He bends slightly,
then loses balance.
and then he collapses.
The students freeze.
Some rush forward. Some stare. Some scream for help.
But by the time any response begins, the damage has already begun. His heart had already stopped. What is cardiac arrest? Cardiac arrest is not the same as a heart attack. A heart attack is a clogged artery, the heart is struggling, but still beating. Cardiac arrest is an electrical failure. The heart stops completely.
No blood to the brain. No pulse. No breathing.
Without immediate help, within minutes, brain cells start dying. And unlike what movies show you, there's no time to call for help and wait. This is why survival depends entirely on what happens in the first 3 minutes.
The 3-minute rule. Here's the harsh truth. If no one performs CPR in the first 3 minutes,
if there's no defibrillator available, the chances of survival plummet. By minute 5, without CPR, there's usually no recovery.
And the worst part?
In most places, including schools, people aren't trained to recognize cardiac arrest. They think it's a faint,
a panic attack. And that delay costs lives. Why young people are not safe.
This teacher wasn't 80.
He wasn't even 60. So how can a heart just stop? The answer? Silent risk factors.
Genetic heart conditions. Hypertension. Early coronary artery disease.
Sleep deprivation. Stress-related arrhythmias. Most people don't even know they have these. Some don't get checkups. Some ignore chest tightness.
Some never think this could happen to me. So what can we do?
Start with awareness. Learn the signs. Sudden collapse. No response. No breathing.
Then comes action. Call for help.
Start chest compressions immediately. Use an ED if available. And most importantly,
get your heart checked, even if you're young. Manage stress.
Sleep enough.
Eat for your heart, not just your cravings. Lives aren't just saved in hospitals. They are saved in moments like this, by people who know what to do. This teacher died doing what he loved, teaching.
But what if someone in that room knew CPR?
What if there was a defibrillator nearby? What if we took heart health seriously before it becomes a headline?
Tragedies like this aren't just stories. They are warning signs.
They are teaching moments. And if they make us aware, then maybe that life wasn't lost in vain. I'm dr.kade, and this channel exists to make you aware, before it's too late. Subscribe if you believe in knowledge that saves lives. Comment below if you want a full video on CPR, ED use, or heart screenings for young people. And share this with someone who works in a school.
Because you never know